Hello, my amazing fans. How are you all doing? Big up on yourself. It's been a very long time since I last came live. So today I just want to catch up with you guys and share a few things here and there. It's been a very long time since I last uh, went live. A lot of things have been happening, and I'd like to let you all know that we are back and we'll continue giving you the best content happening here in northern Uganda, entertainment, events, a lot of things. Big up on everyone who's joining the live. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for always supporting Into Deep Promotions. Make sure you double tap on the screen to like this live and also share it. Otherwise, I hope everyone is okay. I have a lot of good news, by the way. And for those of you who are in Gulu City, I want to let you guys know that I have tickets for Awilo Longomba live in Gulu. Yeah, I have the tickets. Alibad tickets are only going for 20,000 Uganda shillings. And at the gate, it's going to be at 50,000. VIP 100,000. A table of five, sorry, a table of 10 people, which comes with food and drinks. Platinum goes for 2.5 million. Yeah. Otherwise, how is everyone doing? Leave down a comment and let me know where you're watching me from. Let us engage. You can ask me anything. Otherwise, it's a very, very beautiful morning in Gulu City. Yeah, I'm just chilling at Acholi Inn Gardens. Very beautiful place. If you happen to come to Gulu City, these are places you should visit. So the Into Deep Promotions merchandise is also available if you want to get yourself one. Yeah, you can make your orders. This one goes for only 50K. This cap, yeah, goes for 50K. Otherwise, to all the YouTube family, everyone who follows me here, yeah, I'll always keep you updated. There will be no more silence like we had before. Otherwise, let me wish all of you a wonderful day, wherever you are. Blessings. May God protect you all. And I want to also let you know that on the 3rd of April, we shall be having Awilo Longomba. Awilo Longomba will be performing in Gulu City live at Northern Pearl Hotel Garden. Yeah, Awilo Longomba will be performing live at Northern Pearl Hotel Garden in Gulu City. Alibad tickets are already available. I have Alibad tickets which go for only 50K. Alibad tickets, sorry, Alibad tickets go for 20K. And at the gate, these are tickets. These are tickets for Wheeler. You see, I have tickets for Wheeler. So Alibad tickets are available at only 20K, as you can see. 20K, 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 and free delivery, of course, within the city area. So make sure you get yourself your tickets early and save at the gate. We're going to have massive performances from very many of your favorite artists. So far, we have confirmed Janet Priska. We have performed Easy the Lyrical Gino. Judas Rap Knowledge has also been confirmed. So it's uh it's gonna be so big. Don't miss out on Awilo Longomba live in Gulu City. So for those of you who want tickets, make sure you reach out to me so that I'll deliver them for you wherever you are, as long as you're within Gulu City area. Yeah, the delivery, of course, will be free. So Awilo Longomba live in Gulu City on the 3rd of April 2026 at Northern Pearl Hotel Garden. Yeah, the garden is very, very wide. It's a very, very wide garden. Plenty of space. We're going to have a lot of vendors who will be selling stuff, food stuff, drinks, and the VIP is being set. Actually, a team from Urban Life Productions came through. They have been marking the place, and they have designated where the VIPs are going to sit, and then where the people who are going to pay table for 2.5 million are going to sit. There's going to be a very nice tent for them. There's going to be a very nice tent set up for them. Yeah, then also where the stage is going to be. So this is not just an ordinary event, it is very big. Make sure you be part of it. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Blessings, peace, and love.